Welcome! In front of me I have Zeblaze Stratos and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can press and hold on the current watch face on the home screen to open the watch face menu. And once the menu opens, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Now find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. You can also wake up the screen on your watch, and once you're on the home screen, the watch face, you can swipe right on the screen until you see this menu, and here you can tap on the icon that looks like the clock, this green icon, and once you tap on it, it will open the watch face menu, and again you can find the watch face you like and tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.